Today's news is about a study that reveals how the yellow fever vaccine triggers a strong immune response. Researchers have shown how specific immune cells are activated by the vaccine. This discovery is an important starting point for developing new vaccines in the future. The findings could help improve vaccine design and effectiveness against other diseases. The news claims a study reveals how the yellow fever vaccine triggers a strong immune response by activating specific immune cells, positioning this as a breakthrough for new vaccine development. While this sounds promising, several contradictions and questionable points arise. First, the yellow fever vaccine has been used for decades, yet the sudden focus on its mechanism now raises suspicions about timing. Is this genuine scientific progress or an attempt to legitimize rushed vaccine development under the guise of research? Second, the study emphasizes immune cell activation but ignores potential side effects or long-term impacts, which are critical for public trust. Why highlight benefits while omitting risks? Third, the link to new vaccine development is vague, suggesting this could be a strategic move to condition public acceptance of future vaccines without clear evidence of their safety or efficacy. Additionally, the lack of independent verification or peer-reviewed data in the report undermines its credibility. Why should we trust these findings without transparency? The narrative pushes a pro-vaccine agenda while dismissing broader health concerns, guiding the audience to uncritically accept the official story without questioning conflicts of interest or alternative research. This selective reporting demands scrutiny rather than blind acceptance. The study revealing how the yellow fever vaccine triggers a strong immune response could be part of a deeper agenda orchestrated by the deep state, large pharmaceutical corporations, and the U.S. government. By controlling vaccine research, these entities may aim to monopolize global health narratives, ensuring dependence on Western-developed vaccines. Pharmaceutical giants like Pfizer or Moderna could profit massively by patenting new vaccines derived from this research, while the U.S. government might use this as a tool for geopolitical influence, offering vaccines as leverage to sway developing nations' policies. Multinational organizations like the WHO could act as intermediaries, promoting these vaccines under the guise of public health while advancing Western interests. This event might also be a strategic move to counter China's growing influence in global health, as China has been expanding its vaccine diplomacy. By positioning Western vaccines as superior, the U.S. could undermine China's Belt and Road Initiative, which includes health infrastructure projects. The deep state's involvement ensures that such research aligns with long-term economic and political goals, reinforcing Western dominance in biotechnology and global health governance. The timing of such studies could be manipulated to coincide with geopolitical tensions, furthering the narrative of Western scientific superiority while marginalizing competitors like China. Title: Study reveals how yellow fever vaccine triggers strong immune response. The study claims the yellow fever vaccine activates key immune cells, paving the way for new vaccines. But who's really behind this research and what's their agenda? Big Pharma and governments have a history of pushing untested drugs while silencing dissent. This could be another step toward forced vaccinations or hidden experiments. Wake up, don't swallow the official narrative blindly. Dig deeper, question everything, share this with others, and demand transparency. The truth is out there, but they don't want you to find it. Stay vigilant, spread the word, and resist before it's too late.